Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, we're going to talk about making money on Clickbank using Udemy. I'm going to share a couple of quick strategies, and also I'm going to show you examples of it so you see exactly how it's done. All right, so before I start, the reason actually I'm making this video is because a lot of people ask this question on in my YouTube channel in the comment section. So I want to make this quick video about it, and I have a feeling this is not going to be a quick video, but it's going to be awesome because I'm going to talk about a lot of cool stuff. All right, so let's get started with some basic stuff that I'm sure maybe some of you know, but some of you don't know, and I'm going to answer something really important. So first of all, what's Udemy? In case if you don't know what is Udemy, Udemy is a solo ad network where you buy solo ads. Basically, you pay other people to send an email to their list with your links in that email. So basically, that's what it is. You buy traffic. Okay, so now Udemy is a good place to buy traffic if you know how to buy good traffic. When we go to my computer, I'm gonna show you exactly how to find the right people on Udemy, because it's really important to find the right people so you don't waste your money. At the same time, it's not like a guaranteed thing, right? You gotta spend some money to get results. It's not gonna happen instantly or anything like that. I mean, if you get lucky, I've seen some people just get sales instantly after their first buy on Udemy, but most of the times you gotta spend some money to start getting some results and build up from there. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now, let's talk about this strategy. Usually this is how I do it. So on Udemy, what you do is you send traffic. Jesus, not coming out. So you send traffic to a landing page, right? So that's your landing page. And then you send from the landing page, you send people to a pre-sale page, and then from the pre-sale page you send them to a sales page. That's the sales page would be the product owner sales page. That's your affiliate link, so that's the best way to do it. Another strategy that I've seen people using on Udemy is to send traffic directly to the pre-sale page. You don't send traffic to a landing page. Now this is something I don't recommend, because the whole point of buying solo ads is to actually build a list. When you don't have a landing page, you don't build a list, but some people do that, and that is okay. But another way to make up for not building a list is to do retargeting using Facebook. So you can do FB retargeting, Facebook retargeting. So when someone visits this landing page, visit this pre-sale page, you're not getting their email, but you're going to be able to target them later on Facebook, and show your landing page again, maybe show another pre-sale page to try a different pre-sale page. So that's another strategy, and it's a little bit more advanced because it's about retargeting and stuff, but that works too. But usually I do landing pages. That's the best way to go about this. So that's that. Now another thing, a big question I want to answer is, some people say, hey, is it possible to send traffic directly to the sales page, to your affiliate link? And obviously you can do that, yes, but I absolutely do not recommend it, because it's most of the times, like 99% of the times, it's a waste of money. Okay, so do not ever do that. It's not a good idea. It doesn't work unless the traffic is really super hot, which is not. It usually doesn't work like that, because traffic usually incoming traffic from solo ads is usually cold. Means that they're not that interested. I mean, they are in that niche. They are genuinely interested, but it's not like they're ready to buy, right? So you don't want to send people directly to a sales page. You want to get them ready. You want to send them to a landing page, a pre-sale page, and then a sales page. Maybe send them through the sales page using your affiliate link. So that's what you got to do. So let's go to my computer. I'm going to do a couple of stuff right now. I'm going to take you to my computer. I'm going to show you an example of a pre-sale page, a landing page, and also I'm going to take you to the Udemy to explain what do I look for when I'm buying Udemy solo ads. Okay, so because you got to understand, because if you don't know what to buy and what to not buy on Udemy, you can waste your money. All right, so let's go to my computer. Let's finish the video there. All right, guys, so this is an example of a landing page. So this is where I send one of my landing pages. This is where I send the traffic from Udemy, and after they sign up, they're gonna see this page. This is the pre-sale page. So guys, let me talk a little bit about the pre-sale page. This is the usual format of a pre-sale page. There's a headline, and then there's the video. And in this case, because the traffic is mostly cold, means coming from Udemy, actually having a autoplay. So if I refresh this page, this video is going to autoplay by itself. So that's the best way if you're getting cold traffic. You want your videos to autoplay. So yeah, so and then there's the call to action button that takes them to the affiliate site. This is if they click on this and buy, obviously it's I'm gonna make that commission. That takes them to the sales page, main sales page, the product I'm selling, and also a little bit copy. Usually, sometimes you don't have to. Most of the pre-sale page that I create usually don't have copies. But in this case, because I had the content, I had some more videos about it, I was like, okay, let's just create more content around it on the pre-sale page. Why not, you know? So that was the idea behind it. Otherwise, I usually don't have any content. I usually have my pre-sale pages are usually simple: headline, video, call to action, nothing complicated. Alright, so that's that, and let's actually talk about, and by the way, before I talk about Udemy, I create these pages with lead pages, by the way, okay? So lead pages is the best place to create your landing pages and pre-sale pages and all that stuff, and also for email marketing, you use Aweber. I talk about all this stuff in CB Masters Academy, by the way. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can check it out, check out my workshop. So yeah, let's talk about Udemy. So Udemy is the place where you buy your sole ads. This is you go to the ad text to put your emails. Add your email copy. I have a bunch of videos about email copies, solo ad email copies. If you check out my YouTube channel, you're gonna find them. Also, I'm gonna put them up here so you can check them out for yourself. You're gonna see the card popping out right now. Okay, so that's that. But also, so the copy, writing the copy is another story. And again, you gotta watch those videos if you want to learn to write real good solo ad copies, because it's important. Your copies are really important and it affects your opt-in rate. Okay, so you go to after you create an account on Udemy, which is free, you go to the find seller section and you look for a couple of stuff. First of all, the first thing I look for is the like rate. Okay, so basically, if they don't have that many likes, means that they're kind of brand new. And I do not trust people who are brand new, because let me tell you something about Udemy. I've seen some people here actually buy traffic from other sellers. So basically, they just resell the traffic. You don't want that. Okay, you want someone who has their own list, and they're just selling it. So you don't want to buy from someone who is reselling the traffic. You want to buy it from the source, so to say. Okay, so if they have more likes, usually that's the good sign. So let's find someone with more likes. So for example, 1,000. Let's see if we can find more. It's not loading. There you go. 2,000. So that's a good thing. Now that's the first thing I usually look for. The second thing you usually look for is the price and the sales rate. So as you see, this is this icon here, which is like a dollar sign, green dollar sign, that tells you how many people have reported sales. What's the percentage? Now it's not completely accurate, okay, but it's a good indicator of how this provider's SOLA is performing. Okay, so for example, this SOLA seller, 40% of people who reported that they have received sales. So it's really high. Okay, so what I do is, so I think this is a good option. So 40% of people are getting sales and 2,300 likes. So it's a good one, right? So the next thing I usually look for is price. I think they had the price over there, but I'm just gonna double check and see. Let's see, what's the price. And it doesn't hurt to actually buy and to actually read these reviews, by the way. Okay, read these reviews, see what people are saying. I usually don't go through them too much, but just take a look at them, Okay, so that's that. Okay, 50 cents per click. So now the next thing I'm going to talk about, which is like the most important thing when it comes to buying solo ads, is you shouldn't start high. Okay, don't start with buying a ton of I've seen like a bunch of people, some of my students that I used to talk to some of them, they were buying like thousands of clicks. You should not do that, guys. Okay, this is a big mistake. What you want to do is you want to test this, and the best way to test is start with maybe 100 clicks or 200 clicks. Now you don't want to start with, I don't know, 50 clicks, because that's most, like, I can guarantee 99% of the times that's not going to get you any sales. Okay, but you want to start with small amounts like 100 or 200. 200 is the perfect number. So that's the best place to start, because obviously you don't want to spend too much money, but at the same time you want to spend enough money so you get enough data, because that's the most important thing. You want to get data. Okay, you want to see how well this person's solo ad is converting. So you want to get enough data, and when you just buy 50 visitors, that's not going to be enough data, right? So you want to start with 100 or 200. Between 100 and 200 is the best place. So yeah, so that's that, guys. And usually, I mean, this is where you apply filters, you know, prime filter, only top tier, and this is like the most important thing. Only mobile, I don't care about that stuff. The only thing I care about is only top tier. Now let me explain what is top tier. Top tier means that traffic is from US, Canada, UK, I think Australia, Singapore, and all of those places. So in this case, when you select only top tier, that's going to add about 10 cents per click. Now, this is where you need to, and as see, it says actually US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore. Now, something you gotta pay attention, which is really important, is most of the sellers here by default deliver top tier countries. So, for example, in this case, this seller is already giving me 100% top tier country, so I don't even have to select this. It's already good traffic. Okay, so for example, if you see a seller that is like 70% top tier or 80% top tier, you might want to select this so you filter out non-top tier countries. But yeah, it's pretty much that's it. That's pretty much it. So you just select your copy. Again, you add your copy from here, add texts, and you select your copy, you click on add to cart, and then you just buy it. Okay, so by the way, you gotta have your link in your copy. Okay, so make sure when you add your copy, you do that stuff. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, and also leave a comment and let me know if you have any questions. By the way, I'm going to leave a link in the description that's going to take you to my free workshop. In that free workshop, I'm going to take you through affiliate marketing step by step. I'm going to give you a lot of resources and PDFs and that stuff step by step, and take you through everything through promoting a product as an affiliate and making commissions step by step. It's absolutely amazing, super detailed, and you're going to learn a lot of awesome stuff. If you want to learn affiliate marketing directly from me, that's the best way to do it. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Again, let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment, like this video, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.